The only problem is that you see when I come in, I won't see how it looks like. So.
Do you want me to check? Like, do you want me to stand where you would be standing?
Yeah.
Okay.
See if I fit.
Yeah. So I'm saying, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I was gonna say, do you want to see? Because I fit in the screen right now, right?
Yeah, actually stand right there.
Okay.
Stand back a little. All right, perfect. Now stand where you were. Okay, perfect. Stay there. Hey guys, how are you? I'm here with my personal trainer, Joey Zanca. He's been training people for how long? Tell people a little bit.
Well, I've been training people for about 7 years now in the personal fitness industry, and before that, though, I've been training my whole life. I've been an athlete, a boxer, kickboxer, and now I fight MMA. And I have a couple guys that I train that fight MMA and boxing as well as just personal clients that are about losing weight.